Intro. Be intro. Hello. Damn it, I swore. Intro. God damn it, I swore again. An intro. Intros. Hey everyone. Welcome to my project.
New camera angle, slightly different because it fell over. That's why you should always be careful. Alright, so I'm done for the day. This is going to be the walk around. So this is going to be just covered. I'm not going to worry about insulating it because the other side is not where the sleeping area is. This is insulation. Turns out I should not have glued this in yet. I had to mar it up, putting some screws in, but whatever, that'll work. This is going to be a window, my reinforcement here. This is going to be a door. Remember, I talked about the trim with the idea of it closing against there. Insulation. Oh, look at that. This is going to be the sleeping area. The wall is in position. This here, I don't like the gap, but remember, trim later. Don't worry about the little things. We'll fix it all. But that's going to be the sleeping area. And then it's mirrored on the other side, so you got door, window, this here. Now on the back, these aren't attached, but there's going to be a counter here. Yeah, I'm excited. It's coming together. It's taking some shape. Alright, so I cut the door out. Did not cut the frame out. Yay! That was the intent. Routers sure do make a lot of sawdust. Here's the problem though. From the inside, my router cannot get close enough to cut this edge of the window out. And it's not long enough this way to cut the part that needs to be cut. So I'm going to attempt to do it with a jigsaw. Hopefully I don't mar up it. I didn't think about this, but Where's my windowsill supposed to go? I forgot to measure for the thickness of this front wall here. So the distance from here to where the front wall will be is 2 inches shorter than I thought it was going to be. I put up a fake wall and laid down. I concluded that I'm going to go for it as if after it's almost completely assembled, I still think it's too small, I'll push this wall back out a little bit, but first I'm going to keep building. And I mean, I can always just hollow it out and put the feet in underneath the stove if I have to. So I'm not too worried about it. And then again, you know, I can always just make another one, sell this one to someone who's shorter than me. Or give it to someone who's shorter than me. I now have holes for doors and windows. As you can see, I cut those out just a moment ago. And since I need more cross members to do the ceiling and stuff, and I'm not 100% sure how the process I'm gonna do to put it in, and I need the panels for it anyways, I'm not gonna bother starting today. I'm just going to clean up a bit, and then tomorrow when it's nicer out, we'll take the panels off and strap the 1/4-inch plywood to the roof. We'll pick up some more 2x3s for across here, and then tomorrow we'll put the roof on. Might also buy some tires. We'll see.